NVIDIA, South Korea's government, and industrial giants are joining forces to build an AI infrastructure and ecosystem that will fuel the nation's innovation, industries, and jobs. This ambitious project involves adding over 260,000 NVIDIA GPUs to the mix, with the aim of propelling Korea's AI capabilities to new heights. But here's where it gets controversial. While the government and major companies are investing in AI, some argue that the focus should be on addressing the country's pressing issues, such as income inequality and environmental degradation. Despite this, the project is moving forward with full steam, and the results could be transformative for Korea's future. The Korean government, through the Ministry of Science and ICT, is investing in sovereign AI infrastructure with over 50,000 of the latest NVIDIA GPUs. These GPUs will be deployed across the National AI Computing Center and Korean Cloud Service and IT providers NHN Cloud, Kakao Corp, and Naver Cloud. Samsung Electronics is also building an AI factory with over 50,000 GPUs to accelerate its AI, semiconductor, and digital transformation roadmap. Meanwhile, SK Group is designing an AI factory that can host over 50,000 NVIDIA GPUs and Asia's first industrial AI cloud featuring NVIDIA RTX Pro 6000 Blackwell Server Edition GPUs for physical AI and robotics workloads. Hyundai Motor Group is collaborating with NVIDIA and the Korean government to build an NVIDIA AI factory with 50,000 NVIDIA Blackwell GPUs. This factory will enable integrated AI model training, validation, and deployment for manufacturing and autonomous driving. Naver Cloud is expanding its NVIDIA AI infrastructure with over 60,000 GPUs for enterprise and physical AI workloads. Additionally, Naver Cloud, LG AI Research, SK Telecom, NCAI, Upstage, and NVIDIA are developing Korean Foundation LLMs to accelerate Korean AI applications through public-private partnerships. The Korea Institute of Science and Technology Information is establishing a center of excellence for the advancement of quantum computing and science. NVIDIA is also working with industries, academia, and research institutions in Korea on AI RAN and 6G infrastructure. The company is collaborating with Samsung, SK Telecom, ETRI, KT, LGU+, and Yonsei University to develop intelligent, low-power AI RAN network technology that can reduce computing costs and extend device battery life. Korea's industry titans are building NVIDIA AI factories for advanced manufacturing. Automotive, manufacturing, and telecommunications leaders in Korea are developing significant AI infrastructure investments and expansions to accelerate enterprise and physical AI development. Samsung is building a semiconductor AI factory with over 50,000 GPUs to advance intelligent manufacturing and bring AI to its products and services. SK Group is designing an AI factory that can host over 50,000 NVIDIA GPUs to advance semiconductor research, development, and production. The Korean government and developers are advancing LLM research with NVIDIA. Teaming with NVIDIA, Korea's MSIT is advancing its Sovereign AI Foundation Models project to develop sovereign language models. LG AI Research, Naver Cloud, NCAI, SK Telecom, and Upstage are participating in the project to support sovereign model development. Startups and enterprises will be able to contribute to and use the models to create AI agents with speech, reasoning, and other capabilities. Finally, a new startup alliance is supporting Korean development. NVIDIA and its partners are establishing an alliance to foster startups through the NVIDIA Inception program. Members will have access to accelerated computing infrastructure from NVIDIA Cloud partners, including SK Telecom. With support from NVIDIA Inception and VC Alliance members, startups will also have access to NVIDIA software and expertise, speeding growth for the next generation of companies.